guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay pag-usapan naman natin si one-hand lending application. Kung paano nga ba mag-close or i-close ang account kay one-hand guys. Okay, so kung interesado ka sa video ito ay mag-subscribe, mag-like na rin and patapusin ng video ito para malaman kung paano nga ba yung mga step-by-step kung paano i-close ang account natin. So, let's go! Alright guys, so yun na nga, pag-usapan po natin si one-hand lending application, kung paano ang step-by-step, kung paano ang pagko-close o ng ating account sa kanila guys. Okay, so number one na gagawin po natin is open natin ang ating account or ang application ni one-hand. So basically, lalagay ko yung mga screenshot na naman dyan, yung mga ginawa ko, kung paano ko pinost ang aking account. Okay, so open yung ating account. Ayan. So, open natin ang account sa one-hand. So, syempre, enter natin ang ating phone number, yung registered na phone number, and ang ating login or mask password natin. Okay? So, pag login natin, guys, makikita natin dyan sa may pinakababa na meron po yung ating profile. Okay? So, sa ating profile, guys, is makikita natin dito yung settings. Okay? So, sa settings, pinutin natin ang settings. Makikita natin dito yung account and security and about us. So, tap natin yung account and security. Okay? So, under sa account security, makikita natin dito yung modify phone number, set password, and account closure. So, agad-agad na makikita natin si account closure guys. Okay? So, syempre open natin si account closure and sa account closure is makikita natin yung mga cons and pros. Basta cons siguro to. Ayan. So, sabi dito, all loans have been settled. So, dapat mga utang po daw natin, mga credit natin is bayad po and wala po tayong balance. So, the account balance has been cleared. If your one-hand account still has balance, please complete the withdrawal first. Otherwise, the account cannot be closed. So, kailangan po yun guys na gawin natin. Okay? So, number 3 na gagawin or sa account closure guys is all rewards, coupons, and right will be clear and cannot be recovered. If your account still has coupons or e-coupons, points, etc. in one hand, it will be emptied and cannot be restored after cancellation. So, si one-hand guys, bibigay siya ng mga coupons, sa pag-increase ng mga loan, ganyan. So, pag daw i-clear na natin or mag-close na tayo, ay mawawala na daw po yung mga coupons natin or yung mga dagdag points, ganyan. So, yun. And number 4 is, sabi dito, after successful closure of your account, you can re-register after 7 days. Okay, so mahalaga itong number 4 kasi si one-hand guys ay nag-re-reject siya ng mga application. So, once na na-reject po tayo and hindi na daw po tayo once na na-reject po tayo and hindi na tayo makapag-apply sa kanila, pwede nating i-close ang ating account and after 7 days ay pwede po ulit tayong mag-register sa kanila. Okay? And, yan. So, after nun guys is magpo-proceed na tayo. So, sabi dito, in order to help us improve better, please let us know the reason for closing your account. So, ilalagay natin dito yung mga reason kung bakit natin i-close si one-hand or yung account natin kay one-hand. So, number 1 is low, loanable amount or pwede lang po tayo dito in case na magko-close po tayo ng account natin. So, number 2 is there's no fund or there's no need for fund, fail to apply for quota or loan multiple times, worried about affecting their own credit, and then fear that friends and relatives will know that you are borrowing money, and then experience harassment through phone calls, messages, and others. And yung last is please specify kung wala po dito. Okay? So, pili lang po tayo dito and then proceed na guys. Okay? So, upon proceeding guys is makikita natin si screenshot. Ayan. Nasabi dito, for your account security, please enter the verification code first. So, kailangan na active po yung phone number na niregister natin kay OneHand kasi magsisend po sila ng PIN code or code sa ating phone and then i-enter po natin dito para ma-confirm na talaga ay magko-close tayo ng ating account. Okay, there you go. So, sabi dito, after putting the code, syempre is i-confirm na natin. So, sabi dito, account closed successfully. So, OneHand will process your application and delete the account information within 30 days. So, 30 days nire-review ni OneHand ang ating deletion of account kasi syempre titignan nila kung siguro kung mayroon pa tayong utang or kung mayroon pa tayong hindi kinuha or binayaran, whatever, ganyan. So, within 30 days, guys. And if after 30 days, 30 days and then after 7 days pala is pwede tayong mag-re-apply sa kanila. Okay? After the account closure is complete, you can re-register after 7 days when you log in again with your mobile number and new account will be created. Okay? So, yun na nga guys. At ganun lang po kadali mag-delete or mag-close ng account kay OneHand. So, after deletion or after natin i-process yun ay magsesend po sila ng message or text message na ang account natin has been successfully applied for cancellation. The account will be canceled after 2 days or after 20 days. And after 20 days, if you need to call the cancellation, please log in to the yan. So, basically, pag nag-cancel na po tayo ng account sa kanila at wala pa pong 30 days and mag-i-open natin ng account is para magre-reactivate ulit siya. Hindi na siya magde-delete. Pag i-delete ulit natin siya, saka lang siya magde-delete. So, ayun guys, ang aking experience kung paano nga ba mag-close ng account kay OneHand. So, napakadali po mga kaibigan kung paano i-delete ang ating account kay OneHand. And sana ay nakatulong po ang video ito. Ayan, so please share para makatulong din sa iba na gustong mag-delete ng kanilang account sa OneHand. And be sure po mga kaibigan na clear po wala po tayong utang kay OneHand bago tayo mag-delete or mag-close kasi hindi po maiko-close ang ating account kay OneHand. And marami pong nagsasabi na maganda daw siya. Maganda daw yung binibigay ng credit limit. So, thank you for watching guys. And kung sino pa ang mayroon pang experience kay OneHand, please comment down below para malaman din natin and malaman din ng mga iba. Thank you for watching and you have a good one. Bye!